Welcome to Clean Carnivore, where we keep health simple, clean, and rooted in truth. Every video here is built on careful research, personally authored for this channel, and enhanced with images that make the message easier to see and understand. AI tools help bring the visuals to life, but the ideas, the words, and the care are always human. Open your pantry right now. See those colorful boxes, bottles, and bags? Behind the labels lies the biggest health scam in history. And until you see it for what it is, you'll never be truly free.
Oops, hold on. If you enjoy this content, please smash the like button. Click to subscribe now and ding the bell, so you won't miss any coming attractions. It really helps spread the message to those who need it and want it.
Carnivore is not just a diet. Part 2, the poison in your pantry. This is part 2 of our series. Carnivore is not just a diet. Today we're exposing the everyday poisons hiding in plain sight inside your pantry, and how the carnivore lifestyle cuts through the lies in one clean sweep. The food industry makes billions selling fake dead food. Boxes that scream whole grain or heart healthy often hide refined sugar, seed oils, and chemical additives. These aren't foods, they're products, designed to sit on a shelf, not to fuel your health. Look closely at the ingredient lists. High fructose corn syrup, seed oils, and unpronounceable chemicals are hidden in plain sight. The fine print reveals the truth. These so-called foods are loaded with substances your body was never meant to process. Watch as raw ingredients are transformed on the assembly line. What starts as simple grains and syrups becomes a highly processed snack bar, wrapped and ready for shelves, far removed from anything found in nature. Bottles of sauce may look harmless, but a closer look at the labels reveals a cocktail of sugar, preservatives, and artificial flavors. Each quick cut exposes another hidden additive, another reason these products last for months, not days. Inside industrial food processing plants, machines churn out thousands of identical products every hour. The process is mechanical, efficient, and anything but natural, designed for profit, not for nourishment. Seed oils. Soy, canola, corn, and sunflower oils are cheap industrial oils. Heated and refined, they oxidize easily and flood the body with toxins, driving inflammation, heart disease, and obesity. Sugar, hidden under 50-plus names on labels. Addictive, blood sugar spiking, and directly tied to diabetes, metabolic disease, and energy crashes. Hybridized wheat. Today's wheat is high in gluten, spiked with chemicals, and linked to gut issues, brain fog, and autoimmune disorders. Watch as dough is churned and shaped by machines, moving rapidly down conveyor belts. This is bread stripped of tradition, mass-produced, loaded with additives, and engineered for shelf life, not nourishment. Wheat is doused with chemicals, stripped of nutrients, and transformed in factories into ultra-processed products. By the time it reaches your table, it's a far cry from real food, just another vehicle for hidden toxins. Inside the body, these ingredients trigger silent chaos, inflammation, clogged arteries, and metabolic breakdown. The damage is real, even if you can't see it, until it's too late. You don't need to memorize every bad ingredient, chase health fads, or count macros. Carnivore cuts the poison in one move. Real food only. Steak, eggs, butter, fish, all the nutrition you need without the hidden toxins. On one side, a pantry overflowing with boxes, bags, and bottles, each packed with additives, sugar, and seed oils. On the other, a simple counter with fresh meat, eggs, and butter. The difference is clear. Processed foods promise convenience, but only real, whole foods deliver true nourishment. Imagine a kitchen free from clutter and confusion. Meal prep is calm and effortless. Just quality meat, a pat of butter, maybe a few eggs. No labels to decode, no hidden ingredients. Just honest food, prepared simply, fueling your body the way nature intended. The poison in your pantry is no accident. It's the business model of big food. Carnivore is not about eating less. It's about cutting out what was never food in the first place. In the next episode, we'll go beyond food and show you how carnivore is not just a diet, but a lifestyle of freedom. As the Clean Carnivore logo appears, take a moment to reflect on your journey toward real health. This episode's art is a reminder. Every choice you make can move you closer to freedom. Explore more videos, subscribe, and join a community committed to truth and transformation. I am committed to fresh, engaging, and provocative content, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday by 6 a.m. Pacific Time. Bonus content will appear on odd days, so check back frequently in case you might have missed something.